How to create Spotify artist account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Spotify artist account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically create Spotify artist account, open up Spotify for Artists on your browser. So you can simply open up your browser basically, then you have to simply go to artist.spotify.com. I repeat, artist.spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you're here, tap the three lines option from the top right, then tap on the option called Get Access. Then here you can see Get Access for Spotify for Artists, select Artist or Manager. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to claim an artist profile. So tap on the Continue button here. Then all you have to do again is tap on Next to confirm that it's a Spotify account. Then just claim the artist profile that you would like to make it yours. Now in my case, I'm just choosing a random one because I'm not really an artist, so I have to do that, and then I can just tap on the next option to be able to view it. And that's all it takes to create artist account on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.